Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside the most beautiful luxury homes and custom estates across the United States. Today's tour takes us to a breathtaking custom-built luxury home near Greenville, South Carolina, offering an exceptional blend of modern elegance, comfort, and lifestyle-focused design. This stunning residence features 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and approximately 6,250 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, making it an ideal home for those who appreciate quality, space, and timeless style. As we begin with a bright daytime drone view, the home immediately captures attention with its striking architecture and strong curb appeal. The exterior showcases a refined brown and blue color palette, clean modern lines, and large windows that allow natural light to flood the interior. The surrounding landscaping enhances the property's presence, creating a welcoming yet luxurious first impression that sets the tone for what's inside. Entering through the front door, you're greeted by an impressive foyer that feels open, airy, and elegant. The high ceilings, warm brown flooring, and soft blue accents create a calm and upscale atmosphere from the very first step. This space flows effortlessly into the main living areas, giving the home a seamless and connected layout that feels both grand and inviting. The main living room is designed for comfort and style, offering generous space for relaxing or entertaining. Large windows bring in abundant daylight, highlighting the beautiful finishes and creating a bright, welcoming environment. The balance of warm textures and cool tones makes this room feel luxurious without sacrificing comfort, making it perfect for everyday living or hosting guests. Adjacent to the living space is a stylish TV lounge, ideal for movie nights, game days, or quiet evenings at home. This area adds flexibility to the layout, providing a dedicated entertainment space that feels cozy, modern, and thoughtfully planned. The heart of the home is the chef-inspired kitchen, where beauty meets functionality. Rich brown cabinetry, sleek countertops, and high-end appliances come together to create a space that's both practical and visually stunning. The large center island serves as a gathering point for family and friends, making this kitchen perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. Open sightlines connect the kitchen to the dining area, enhancing the sense of flow and openness throughout the home. The dining area offers ample space for hosting memorable dinners and celebrations. Its elegant lighting and refined finishes create a warm and inviting setting that's ideal for entertaining while still feeling comfortable for daily use. This home offers 5 spacious bedrooms, each designed with privacy and comfort in mind. The primary suite stands out as a true retreat, featuring generous space, beautiful natural light, and a peaceful ambiance that feels like a luxury hotel. The additional bedrooms are equally well appointed, making them perfect for family members, guests, or flexible use as offices or hobby rooms. With 7 bathrooms, this home delivers a spa-like experience throughout. Each bathroom features modern fixtures, elegant finishes, and a clean, sophisticated design that elevates everyday routines into moments of relaxation. One of the standout lifestyle features of this property is the private home gym, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving home. There's also a beautifully designed swing area, adding a unique and charming element that encourages relaxation and quiet moments, whether indoors or in a covered outdoor setting. The garage offers plenty of room for multiple vehicles and storage while maintaining the same polished look found throughout the rest of the home. Every space here has been carefully designed to combine function, style, and comfort. Overall, this custom luxury home near Greenville, South Carolina, represents modern upscale living at its finest. With 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 6,250 square feet, it delivers space, elegance, and thoughtful design in every corner. Homes like this aren't just places to live, they're places to create memories, enjoy life, and truly feel at home. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible luxury home tour. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next dream home.